If you want to become profitable forex trader without blowing up your account, then you must include these 7 things in your trading, and these are non-negotiable skills. If any one of them is missing, then you might not be able to achieve the results which you are trying to achieve. So let's learn what are those 7 things to become profitable forex trader without blowing up your account. So the number one thing is the strategy. When I talk about the strategy, I'm not talking about indicators or trading robots. I'm talking about the price. If you really want to become a highly profitable forex trader, then you must learn to read and understand the price, because that is the base of the market, which you will find constant across all the financial markets. Whether you go to crypto, stock market, or forex, the price is the thing which remains constant across all the financial market. If you want to learn the strategy to understand the price, then you can watch the video. I have given the link in the description. Always remember, this is the only strategy that can make you profitable forex trader. If you want to lose money, then you should go for indicators, algo trading, trading robots, signal providers, because that is how retail traders lose money. And if you really want to become profitable forex trader, then you must learn to read and understand the price, because that is how big market players move the market. All right, so now that's about the strategy. Now the second thing is risk management. No matter how powerful your trading strategy is, if you do not implement proper risk management in your trading, you will end up blowing up your account anyway. So always follow proper risk management so that you can stay in the game for a longer period of time and you can increase the probability of winning. According to me, you can risk around 1 to 3% of your equity per trade, and that keeps your emotions in control. Even if you lose the trade, you will lose small portion of your account. Always remember, losing money in trading is easier than making money. So always try to protect your money with proper risk management. Now the third thing is the limited number of trades. When it comes to day trading or intraday trading, the traders lose money because of over trading. They take random trades with random risk with no proper confirmation, and because of that, they blow up their account. They never get out of this loop until they go broke. According to me, 1 trade a day is enough to become profitable trader. Just in case you lose first trade and you want to give yourself second chance, then you can take your second trade, but not more than that. If you go beyond that, you will get caught into emotions. Plus, you will lose a larger portion of your account. That will create a fear and lower your confidence. When you involve your emotions to make losses back, then you lose more. And this is the cycle of retail traders who lose money all the time. You must break this cycle if you really want to become a profitable trader. You should always focus on 1 to 2 trades a day, period. Now let's come to the fourth topic. The fourth thing is trading with confirmation. Here's another reason why most of the retail traders lose money, because they never trade with confirmation. They just see the price going up or down, or it's reaching to support and resistance, and they enter the market immediately. When you do not trade with confirmation, the chances are your trade will go in drawdown, which will affect your emotions. And after that, traders close the trade out of fear, thinking price will go against that direction. And yes, when you don't understand the price and levels, and you don't trade with the trend plus no confirmation, the trade is not going to end well. When you trade with confirmation, the chances of winning that trade increases by 99.99%. So if you want to increase your winning rate, then you must learn to trade with confirmation. The fifth thing is focus on one thing at a time. This is the biggest obstacle of retail traders, because they are all impatient. They are constantly looking for trading opportunities to make money. When you're starting your day, you must decide which pair you want to trade and which has the highest probability of winning trade. Once you find the pair that you want to trade, then you must focus on only that one single pair, no matter what happens. It doesn't matter if market is going to crash, or you see some post on the social group or social media about that particular pair or any other pair. Even if the world is about to end, your focus should not change. You must focus on one thing at a time, and you must focus on that pair with your own analysis. When you cut distractions, your focus gets better and you can achieve better results. Now the sixth thing is you must know when to close the trades. When you open the trade, there are only 2 possible reasons to closing the trade. The first is the stop loss, and the second is a take profit. Whenever you see the price is reaching toward your take profit, you must close the trade immediately, or at least at that take profit level. As soon as the price reaches to those levels, you can put stop loss to break even and drag the take profit further if you think there is a probability that the price can go further. According to me, if you close the trade, then only you will realize the profit in your account. If the price comes back and hits your stop loss, then you might not make any profit. It is always better to close the trade when you are in profit, but do not keep the same stop loss. Otherwise, this will impact your emotions, which will lead to taking wrong decisions and wrong actions to recover the losses. And after that, again, you will end up in more losses. Now, when you open the trade, when you see the price is reaching the stop loss, do not drag it further, hoping that the price will reverse and you will make profit. Sometimes the price reverses back and sometimes it doesn't. The point of keeping stop loss is to keep your account safe from the bigger losses. And if you drag the losses, you risk more and might end up losing much bigger. You can close a trade even earlier before it hits your stop loss so that you lose less. So always close the trade at your stop loss and take profit no matter what happens in order to become profitable trader. Now, so the seventh thing is documenting the trades. This is the best habit you can develop in your trading. It sounds boring, but when you develop this habit of documenting your winning and losing trades, this is the ultimate library you can build for yourself. If you document all the trades with proper information, you can use it for your future reference. Also, instead of wasting your time on non-productive things, you can watch your trade documentation and learn something from it. You must document why you lost that trade and why you won that trade, which can help you to understand things better. Also, you can use them as a refresher for your knowledge. If you're a beginner trader, then you must implement this habit in your trading because that will be easier for you. You can form this habit very easily. And if you are an experienced trader, then it might be difficult for you to form this habit, but trust me, it will help you a lot. Also, this will help you to not repeat those mistakes which you made in the past. This thing looks boring, but it's the most powerful thing you will ever create. So these were the 7 things which you can implement in your trading to become profitable forex trader without blowing up your account. If you want to learn the strategy for free about learning and understanding the price, then you can click the link in the description to learn the strategy for free. Till then, thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and if you have any questions about it, do let me know in the comments and I will make sure I will answer to your question. Until we meet again.